in today's tutorial, issue is how to enable the option to differentiate objects without color on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple logo up in the top left corner and then go down and select System Settings. On the left panel, select Accessibility, and then on the right side underneath Vision, you want to select Display. And where it says Differentiate Without Color, click inside that oval to toggle that feature on, and that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.